You are currently watching the MTA channel. The Matt Fi Show starts right now at 4 p.m. Hey everyone, welcome to the Matt Fi Show, the only show on channel MTA at 4 p.m. daily. Let's review the rules of our game. Each day, we have two people come on our show. They answer 4 questions, either on basic knowledge, geography, or math. Today's math. Let's meet our first contestant. From New Jersey, here's Brian Feiler!
I ain't no Brian Feiler. I'm Batman.
It's nice to meet you, Brian.
My name's not Brian Feiler. I'm Batman.
Okay, Batman. Are you good at math?
Oh yeah!
Alright. Before Brian answers the questions, let's get to know a little bit about him.
Hi, my name is Brian Feiler, and I am excited to be on this show. In my free time, when I'm not on the show, that was never, but I like to play sports and do acting, and I go to school. But at nighttime, I'm a different person.
Today's topic is dividing polynomials by a monomial. Do you think you're good at this topic, or?
Yes.
Okay, good, Batman.
Yes.
Good. Before we start, let's review some basic principles. A monomial, or monomials, contain one term. By the way, terms are separated by plus and minus signs. Binomials contain 2 terms. Polynomials contain multiple terms. Batman, are you ready for the Matt Fi Show challenge?
Batman is always ready.
Good. First question is 12x squared plus 4x divided by x. I will give you 15 seconds to give me an answer.
Monkeys!
Did you say monkeys?
Yes, I did.
I'm sorry. That answer is incorrect.
Say what?
Batman,
Thank you.
because you said monkeys, I'll teach you how to do this problem so you'll know. So that hopefully you could win a little money. When you're dividing polynomials by a monomial, you have to divide each term of the numerator by the denominator. You also have to divide each coefficient by coefficient and each variable by each variable. When you're dividing powers of the same base, you subtract the exponent. So, 12, there's always a 1. When you never see anything, there's always a 1. So 12 divided by 1 would be 12. Then, because it's the same base, 2, and there's always a 1 here, 2 minus, like I said, you subtract, 2 minus 1 is 1. So you don't have to write the 1, but it might just be a good reminder for you, whatever you think is good. Then, same thing. 4 divided by 1 is positive 4. X, meaning there's a 1, minus 1 is 0.
Okay.
So, that is it. You get it now?
Yes.
Good. Off to our next problem. Batman, I got faith in you. I think you can do this one. If the problem states 8x squared plus 4x divided by 4x, what would the answer be?
5 bananas! Maybe?
I'm sorry, Batman. That's the wrong answer. Like I said, you have to divide each term of the numerator by the denominator. Then you divide each coefficient by coefficient and each variable by variable. And when you're dividing powers with the same base, you subtract the exponent. So, 8 divided by 4 would be 2. There's always a 1 there. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 2x. 4 divided by 4 is 1. You don't have to write the 1, but I'm going to just so that you'll understand. And x minus x is, or 1, because there's always a 1, minus 1 is 0. So that's the correct answer.
Okay.
Alright, Batman, I got faith in you. The last problem. Please, I want you to walk out winning some money. 5x squared plus 10x divided by 5x.
God, I think I can do it.
Alright, read me the answer just so that...
The answer is x plus 2.
And you got it because you divide the coefficients, and that's 1, but you don't need that 1. Then you, because it's the same base, you subtract, and that's just x. And then the same thing, you divide the coefficients, 10 divided by 2, and there's no x. So you got it! Woohoo! You're walking out of here with $500!
Woo!
Alright, it was nice meeting you, bro. Thanks.
Thank you.
Alright, thanks, Brian, for being on our show. And remember, if you want to be on our show, just email us at themattphishow@gmail.com, and hopefully you'll be our next contestant. Now, we're going to a little commercial break. We'll see you after. Hey, everyone. Welcome back. You're watching the only show named The Matt Phi Show. Our next contestant came all the way from Cody, Wyoming. Wow, I really want to go to Wyoming. Alright, Leah from Wyoming, come out! You're our next contestant!
Yeah! Whoosh! Yeah, what's up, Matt?
Hey!
Ugh.
Why are you doing this?
Oh,
during
you know
our-
I'm a professional athlete, so I gotta work out, like, all the time.
And how's Wyoming?
Empty.
People don't live there.
No, I
It's
don't
just-
even really live there, but don't tell anybody that. It's a secret.
Oh.
Right, so
Alright, just our secret. And
Right.
the people watching, but don't tell anyone.
don't tell anybody. Yeah.
Alright. Do you know the rules of our game?
Yes,
Alright.
definitely.
So, you know that today is math. Do you know factoring polynomials?
Totally.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if that's true, but before that, let's get to know a little bit more about Leah.
Oh, sup? My name's Leah, and I'm a professional athlete. So in my spare time, I like to work out. Yeah, so I'm like super stoked to be on the show because I think Matt's pretty chill, and I'd like to be his best friend. But anyway, I'm just really stoked, and hope I win a lot of money.
Alright, so we said that you know the topic. Each question I ask you, I'm going to ask you 3 questions. I'm going to give you 15 seconds to answer. If you win it correctly, each question is worth $500. Do you think you're ready for the challenge, Leah?
Yes. I'm
Alrighty.
ready.
Our first question is x squared minus 16x plus 64. Please factor that out.
I got it! Yeah!
Does that say 15 basketballs?
Yeah, bro, that's the answer.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect.
Oh.
Well, there's 2 more left, and I really hope that you could get some money. So I'll teach you how to do this one factor. There's an x and an x here, which is a common factor, but there's no x here, and there's no number here, so we can't factor anything out. The next thing to do is we have to find, so we put 2 parentheses, because x times x equals x squared, we put an x as the first term and x as the second term in both parentheses. Then we got a negative 16 and a positive 64. You need to ask yourself, what two numbers will add to negative 16 but multiply to 64? Once you do the math, negative 8 and negative 8 to be exact. Because, let's do the simple math. Negative 8 plus negative 8 is what? Negative 64. Negative 8 times negative 8 is a positive 64. So we put negative 8, and if you factor it out, FOIL, you would end up getting x squared minus 16x plus 64.
Right.
Do you think you got it now?
Yeah, totally. Got it.
Okay, good. Let's go to our next problem. I think that you could do this one. This problem says x squared plus 10x plus 25. Please factor that out. I will give you 15 seconds to do so. Good luck.
I got it!
What does that say? Please read me your answer.
Parentheses, x plus 2 soccer balls, in parentheses, start parentheses, but a different parentheses, x plus 5 footballs, in parentheses, equals mega fun! Yeah! Do I win $500, Matt?
Sorry, but that answer is incorrect once again.
Man. Did I get the parentheses right?
Yeah, 2 parentheses. Yeah.
Yes.
But I can't give you money for that. I am sorry. So I'm going to cross out your answer. And there's one more left after this. So I'll teach you this once again. And hopefully you'll be able to, get the next one. Because I want you to walk out with some money. Right?
Got it.
Alright. So, like you said, you did get the parentheses, right? Because when you factor it out, you use parentheses. So, I'm going to put the 2 parentheses right here. Once again, x squared is the same as x times x, 2 x's, and that's always to the first power, equals x to the second. So because of that, we put in x as the first term, x as the second term. Because when you FOIL, factor that out, multiply, that'll end up to be x squared. Then you get positive 10x plus 25. Like I said before, you need to see what two numbers will add negative 10 and then multiply to positive 25. So, to do your math, you get positive 5, positive 5. Let's recap. 5 times 5 is positive 10.
And 5 times 5 is positive 25.
Let's move on to our last problem. Remember, if you get this one right, you could win $500. I really hope you can get this one.
Whoa! This looks different than the other ones.
Correct, that's a step.
Okay. So, alright, I got it. Here we go.
Okay. Just read it to me.
4x, parentheses, x plus 2, and parentheses.
That is correct.
Yeah! High five, bro!
You're going home with $5.
Bring that back to Wyoming and see what they say.
They? Who's they?
Oh, the horses.
Buffalo.
Buffalo.
Right.
Or nature.
Yep. Alright.
Yeah.
Woo! Yummy!
Alright, thanks for coming on. Thanks for
Yeah,
writing.
bro. Woo!
Alright, that's the end of our show today. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, we're on daily at 4 p.m. Check us out tomorrow or on our website, www.thematthewshow.com, and you'll find videos, trivia, games that you can play, all that. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.